New day. So yesterday I got the phone call from the county that they wanted a bit more. And yesterday afternoon the teacher from my kids' kindergarten came and asked me if I could make some stuff out of the scraps for the kids, so they could play with or draw with or so on. So that's what I'm gonna try to execute today. I'm pretty bad at giving myself a good amount of time on project. So at the moment I'm right after I told the teacher that of course I can do it tomorrow, I was like, oh fuck, why don't I give myself more time? So that immediately got to be some kind of anxiety for me. So and also my wife's cousin, her and her partner's dog was gonna be alone today. So here's Nikki. Can you say hi? Hi, Nikki. Awesome dog. I always wanted to have a dog, but I know I won't have the time for it. So yeah, she will be here with me today. And we'll see if I get another dog tomorrow. My sister have a dog that she helps taking care of every now and then, and tomorrow is a day she will be in need of some help, so I might need to take care of him as well. But I'm also on duty, so it's a bit of a hassle. If something happens, I will be needed to run up to the house with her, lock her in, and then take the car and go. So I will be losing a minute there. But no one could help me on the brigade, so it is what it is. What else was I supposed to do? Grab the chainsaw, cut some cookies with the bandsaw. But we're gonna set up the bandsaw, but I was looking for a tape measure. That was up. Well, follow along. And yeah, that's the cookies. Now we got a lot more than they asked for, so it should be good. Place the cookies here. It's for, they said something about so they could paint on them, but also use them as plates in the sandbox. So it's just for funds. Like that, and we're gonna throw the scrap pieces because the screws are just below the surface here, so that's gonna end up in the fire pile that's been burning for 5th day in a row or something, I don't know. Yep, and that was the second delivery to the county, and we got one left, but they will probably come and get that next week. So yep, so I didn't get everything done today, especially not the order for the county. It will be done by the end of the week, is what I've told them. I got 2 more logs. It's a bigger one, and maybe 1 or 2 more. I don't really know. But here are some stacks ready. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we have 2 more logs over there. And yeah, that's basically it. Got the cookies done for the kindergarten. I will have the stumps ready probably tomorrow, and then I got a bunch of scrap boards in the rear there, and I'm gonna choose the good ones for balancing boards for the kindergartens. So yep, that's what's up for now. Take care, guys. Have a good night.